She's here. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to It's Amazing. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Caitlin. How are you doing? You should subscribe. If you see the red button, make sure you make it great and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to catch even more of this beautiful chocolate face on your screen, you can find my social media accounts to be listed down below, linked just so you like all you gotta do is just go down there, click the links, and then put her eyes on all my palm pictures. You know, doing all that, make sure you comment below on the video and give it a give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. So by the time you guys already know it's about to go down, like if you have ordered a Telfar bag, you know my excitement, you know my relief. The sinking feeling in my stomach has been plummeted out because I finally got my purchase, girl. And without further ado, let's just get right into the video before like I explode. Do an unboxing on camera, and I'm just gonna do an unboxing video, show you my bag, show you the size, show you what I can put up in there and all that good stuff. If you not know, Telfar is a black owned luxury brand. Only do they make good products, but it's affordable. It's affordable. I don't know how much the smallest one is. It's like one, is it one? I could be, it's 150, I don't know, but the one I got was 200, and I feel like that's very affordable for like luxury goods. And I feel like they're making their items for everybody, and I love it. I just love it. I'm so excited, girl. I ain't gonna lie to you, I ordered my stuff last semester, and it's just getting here, and I'm still excited. So you know, I will forget and then I remember because I see other people on TikTok with their stuff, and I'm like, the Telfar fairy came to my mama be on my shit. So get this unboxing started. So I already cut the seal. Came in a box like this. I'm not gonna show you the front because it has my address on it and everything. Address. Why I said it like that? What we got? It's not even the purse. I'm just excited because I know my purse is in there. But okay, this is how it came. It came with the, what's this? Oh, a return thingy, you know, in case you want to return your order, baby. I'm not gonna return this. I done waited a century. I got the medium bag in tan, and it was $202 on the head. They don't charge you for shipping because they know the box is not important anymore, and it comes in this little bag thing, and I'm assuming that's to keep it, you know, like clean and stuff. They have the bags in a bag, you know. The designer stuff I be seeing other people unbox, like Chanel, so they'll be having like, you know, a little bag, little sack. So this is like the real Telfar bag. Like, what is it called? Pouch? I don't know. I looked at it, it's so pretty. I'm about to wear this till the straps fall off, and then when they fall off, I'm gonna cry. You guys, this is the medium. Get off now. Stop playing, baby. Right. This is like, can add to my luxury collection when I actually start getting other pieces. If I do, girl. I don't know. But it's cute. So here is my Telfar bag. I did get the size medium, like I said already. Take this, the flopper, this don't matter. This is all that matters. I like that the straps are very long because I don't know if I'm gonna put my thing in there. This feels durable, and I like the embellishment on it. It's simple, but it's elegant, and it's just, I don't know. I feel like people want to be like, what's the hype about the bag? Baby, it's black on. If that doesn't excite you enough. And this is my bag. This is how she came. And, well, I'm told myself, peace. So this is the bag. These are the straps. Again, I got mine in the color medium tan shopping bag. Yeah, honest, I don't like how this is like this because I feel like it dented it. I don't like that, but let's open it. Oh, does the dent go away when you push it out? Okay, girl, I'm not really a bag person, but I just ain't like how it was just dented like that. I don't know, I ain't like that. The inside, like as you can see, I don't want to get any makeup on it, but as you can see, like she opens pretty wide with all I can put in it. So I am in college, so I'm gonna see if my computer can go in there, my MacBook. Another girl said hers can fit up in there. So, because I was gonna get the largest one, but I was like, nah, Kim, you doing too much. And it does have a little pouch. You know, hold on. I'm not good with like stuff like this. It has a little pouch. You can just you know, hold on, zip it up, open it up like that, like that. But yeah, it's just a simple bag. Like, we all know it's a simple bag, but it's a Telfar. I'm gonna go get my laptop and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back with my MacBook and we're gonna test this. And I also brought a book just to, you know, test it and see if it can. Like, I honestly feel like I know this is gonna go in because it better go in. The other girl said she got hers in. Well, difference between my MacBook and her MacBook. But anyways. Hey. And okay, I think I may carry my laptop in this. I wasn't sure because I didn't want it to like weigh too much on the handles. Cause I know my MacBook can be like a little bit on the hefty side. Get the plastic up there. She snaps. Yeah, I'm just so excited, but I'm happy with the purchase. Other people like open theirs and like they was like, you know, I was like, it's worthwhile. Okay, this is what I will say. They do have the little sack that it comes in, but I don't know. If they could just work on the shipping, just on the shipping a little bit. I know they're popping off, and they probably, you know, when like a brand pops off as massively as they did, they're probably not. And I'm not gonna say they weren't prepared, but like out of order. So I'm gonna give them that benefit of the doubt. Maybe it'll get better with time. We don't know. Like maybe they just gotta figure that business aspect out. So I'm gonna give them grace. I'm gonna give them time because I just am. Like other people on YouTube, whatever, they do like their luxury hauls or whatnot. And sometimes like the brand, they'll put in a note or something like that. I do feel like that will give like a add utility to the brand. Look at me use my marketing skills, my college vernacular. Adds the utility of the brand because like, you know, like we did wait a long time for it. So just adding a little letter, just sign it. Just like, you know, like, hey Caitlin, thank you for your purchase. Like all that, you know, this type of stuff just makes the customer feel better. Added with like this time to ship, I feel like if they get that together, like it'll be gold. We wish I would have bought something else. Dang. I really wanted that one with the fluffy one that was with, what are they called? Ugh, girl. Oh, I wanted that one. I wanted that one real bad. I ain't get it though. So I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna be walking around my dorms. So I'll show y'all how I'm gonna be. So if you see me, you see my Telfar bag, just know it's me, okay? What you mean I got no Telfar? I got a Telfar. So yeah, if you were thinking about making a purchase, I would like, you're gonna wait a minute to get it, okay? But I just feel like it's like a nice staple purse if you're looking for purses to like build your collection. Because for me, I'm not really like a purse person yet, but I'm 22. I'm trying to, you know, evolve my style, be more classic, chic, all of that good stuff. So I feel like this would just be a good staple piece to have in my closet. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, you already know what to do. Thumbs up, like, comment, and of course, subscribe to see more of my beautiful chocolate face. If you want to see even more of me, my social media accounts will be listed down below, linked just for you. So if you want to see my Telfar bag, extra girl, follow me. So yeah, that is the end of my review-ish, unboxing type thing. I knew I was a little wild with mine. I wasn't cute how the other people be doing. I'd be like, oh, this is it. Baby, no, I want to slap everything out on my bag. Yeah, so that is the end of my video. And you can say peace out to me and Miss Telfie. Oh, and if you want to see a more close-up color of the color, I don't like that being. Do all persons do that when they big and they gotta ship them out? I don't know. I don't like that. I don't want no beans. Hopefully they fall out. I don't know. But yeah, that is the end of my little review. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
See what you just got in the mail, a Telfeezy, a Telfeezy, bitch, a Telfeezy, easy but breezy. I do these dirty bum bitches real greasy.